Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is All Summer in a Day by Ray Douglas Bradbury. This topic is for class 10. In my last video, I already discussed up to page 111. Today I am going to start from page 112. Before starting, let me remind you the name of the book. It's ICSE Treasure Trove. Okay, now let me recap a little. Okay, the entire story revolves around a group of children who have been waiting for the last 7 years for the sun to appear so that they could get relief from the continuous rain and bask in the sunshine. The summertime is only 2 hours in 7 years. In the story, a group of children, all 9 years old, have been living in a dark, waterlogged world of constant rain without seeing the sunshine. The last time the sun appeared on their planet was 7 years ago, when they were only 2 years old, and therefore they did not remember anything about the sun and the sunny days. Their only knowledge of the sun was what they discussed with their class teacher a day before the predicted appearance of the sun. They had heard from Margaret, who had come from the earth and had first-hand experience of the sun. In fact, they were jealous of Margaret because she had seen the sun. They bullied her and finally locked her in a closet. Okay, now let's start from here. Okay, up to here I taught yesterday that they locked Margaret in a closet before the teacher arrived. Now the teacher arrived. Ready, children? She glanced at her watch. Okay, she glanced at her watch and asking the children to be ready. The children all replied that they were ready. Are we all here? Yes. Okay, the rain slacked still now. Now the rain was stopping. Okay, they crowded to the huge door. The rain stopped. After all, the rain stopped. Okay, it was as if in the midst of a film concerning an avalanche, a tornado, a hurricane. A avalanche means a large amount of snow and ice. Okay, a tornado, destructive storm. Hurricane, destructive storm. A volcanic eruption. Something had first gone wrong with the sound apparatus, thus muffling and finally cutting off all the noise. Okay, all of a sudden when the rain stopped, all the students felt as if there was no noise at all. Okay, all of the blasts and repercussions and thunders, and then second rippled the film from the projector and inserted in its place a beautiful tropical slide which did not move or tremor. The world ground was standstill. Okay, look, the world ground was standstill because there was no rainfall. Okay, the silence was so immense and unbelievable. No one could believe the silence. Okay, that you felt your ears had been stubbed or you had lost your hearing altogether. Okay, one felt that as if they had lost their hearing altogether. The children put their hands to their ears. They stood apart. The door slid back and the smell of the silent waiting world came into them. Sun came out. At last the sun came out. It was the color of a flaming bronze. Okay, someone told that it was the color of a flaming bronze and it was very large. Okay, they did not see the sun. Okay, since long time, so they could not even remember. Okay, therefore they are telling that it was very large and the sky around it was a blazing blue like color and the jungle burned with sunlight. Okay, the jungle burned with sunlight as the children released from the spell rushed out yelling into the springtime, and all the children, they were yelling out. Okay, they were all shouting, now don't go too far, call the teacher. The teacher was telling not to go too far. You have only 2 hours. Okay, how many hours they had? Only 2 hours. You know, you would not want to get caught out, but they were running. Okay, the children were very happy. Okay, they were running and turning their faces up to the sky and feeling the sun. They were feeling the sun. Okay, first time they had seen sun after so many years. Okay, so they were feeling the sun on their cheeks like a warm iron. They were taking off their jackets and letting the sun burn their arms. Okay, up to this much, and in my next class I will continue with the story. Until then, goodbye.